Hello, in this video we talk about how to use double asterisk when you define a function in Python. So we will go to Python source file, and if you want to download this file, you can go to this link and follow the steps in the download menu. So we go to Python Spider IDE and open this file. Go to the section for get keyword arguments with two asterisks. So two asterisk with and arguments are used in function definition in Python. So if we use this kind of arguments, so which means you can pass as many key value pairs as you want when you call this function. So key value pairs are used in the dictionary, right? So two asterisk in Python means the element in a dictionary. So this is same as the parse dictionary and with undetermined length of this dictionary when you call this function. So for example, this is a very simple function, and we will print each element of this dictionary when you call this function. So we run, and when you call this function, you just pass like a dictionary, but you do not write a dictionary, just put in each key value pairs. You can put as many key value pairs as you want. So the result is printing with key value arguments for this statement, this string. Then the result is a dictionary with three key value pairs. And because dictionary has many kinds of attributes you can use, so next example showing how to take the key value pairs one by one and you print out with specific format. So we create a function also with this double asterisk arguments. Then we put a prompt and using a loop for key value in this dictionary's items attribute. So dictionary's items attribute will take out key value pair one by one and put each key value pair to a tuple. So in the tuple is key and value, right? So we print another string which use the title form of this key and the value. Then when we call this function, we put in three key value pairs and with different information. You can put, so this value is a string, but this is a number, and this is another. And we can call, even you can put information with the email and so on. So we run this statement first, and we call this function using the values for three key value pair. Again, this is the output, and the next calling. So you can see this is very flexible because you have taken out the key value, so you can set the format you want in the printing statement. Thanks for watching.